Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to break down for you how you can create a QR code in the Avast browser, for example, to share a website with your contacts or friends. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so I will go with google.com for the sake of this tutorial, right? So here in the Avast browser, what you will need to do is navigate to the page, and you don't need to do anything with the URL here. Instead, click into these three dots in the top right, navigate to cast, save and share here, and choose this option, create QR code, at the very bottom. And then, as you can see, Avast will automatically create such a QR code so that you may, for example, I don't know, take a photo of it, for example, or copy it here, or download it, and I think it's in JPEG, no, in PNG file format, as you can see. And yeah, send a PNG file of the QR code to your contacts. So in this case, your google.com, for example. And that's how you do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you next time on our channel.